Uh, Next problem. You can see it's a two population problem. It's a mean problem. And it's sigma 1, sigma 2 given to us. You can check. No, only S1, S2, these are given to us. Sigma 1, sigma 2, unknown. So let's write down the data. Oh, sorry. Is it chapter 7 problem or chapter 8 problem? So read the last line. You will see it's a chapter 8 problem. And let's write down the data. N1 equals 10. X1 bar equals 3.51. And S1 equals 0.81. Okay, so that's given to us. Next, uh, we do the H naught and HA. And since it's a two population means problem, we shall deal with mu1 minus mu2. Now let's look at the last line. Do the data indicate that violent crime in Rocky Mountain is higher than in New England? That means they are asking, is group 2 bigger than group 1? That means, is mu1 minus mu2 less than 0 versus, equals 0. So it's a left tail test. So how should, okay, so let's find the test statistic first. Test statistic shall be t equals x1 bar minus x2 bar divided by square root of s1 square by n1 plus s2 square by n2. So check that, let's check this formula. So this is the formula I'm talking about. So minus 0.8148. All right. Now, rejection region is our next order of business. So since a left tail test, our rejection region shall be T less than TC. If that happens, then reject H naught. So what's TC? So it's a left-tailed test. So my rejection region will be a left tail. So here shall lie TC. And how fat should be the left tail? It should be alpha fat. So this is 0.01 amount fat. Now it's a t test. So it's a t distribution with degrees of freedom equal to, what's the formula? Minimum of n1 minus 1 or n2 minus 1. So that means minimum of 10 minus 1 and 12 minus 1. So 9. Okay. So degrees of freedom is 10. The left tail, that is one tail is 0.01. So one tail is 0.01. So it's here, and it's like 9. So I should look at the value 2.81. Okay, so my TC is negative 2.81. Let me write that in red. Negative 2.81. Why negative? You know the reason why. I mean, if suppose I was looking for the exact same thing, so T with degrees of freedom equals 9, and the right tail is how much fat? 0.01 fat. Then this is the TC. Yes, then my answer would be actually 2.81. But it's the left tail now. The middle portion is 0. So anything left of 0 is negative, anything right of 0 is positive. And both tails are symmetric. So you see the reason why. Okay. Now, what was I talking about? Yeah. So you reject. So if T is less than negative 2.81, reject H naught. What's our T? Our T is minus 0.8148. So minus 0.8148 is actually bigger than minus 2.81. So you fail to reject H naught. Which only means that does the violent crime rate in Rocky Mountain is higher than New England? So violent crime rate in Rocky Mountain State is not higher than New England.